Okay, so I thought I would do a video on what I sound like when playing Flea. So yeah. I might be silent. Or I might decide to talk. Ooh, computer. They're so near as well. I know where it is.
Normalement, ici, il y a un ordi.
Oh,
Non, il y a surtout le mec qui m'attrape.
bro, I need to shut them up. I am not having voice chat on. Capture here. Why are all the doors open? Why? Okay, no. I hear someone. I hear. Oh. No. Bro. Come on. Yo, what? Where are they? Yeah, I think they've just said no. And they're like, I'm not gonna save because they're AFK. Yeah, look. Yeah, they just decided to say no. Yeah, they sounded like they were right there. Let me turn it up. Yeah, okay. I bet they're back up here again. Wait, this is open, so I think they might be doing that. So then they can escape. Oh, Hazen's going live. I gotta watch that. Why are they not hacking? We're not hacking up here anymore, okay. None in blue. Let me see the other blue. Oh, they got so lucky. None in blues. I bet there's one like down here. I'm surprised none there. Wait, I gotta check this. Gotta check this. Gotta check this. I swear I saw something there. I suck. I suck at Flea. I'm trying. Where? I'm actually gonna quit. Wait. This game. I suck. I started playing this game like a couple years ago and I still suck. Oh, I'm gonna check office. Hacked. Wait. Oh. That was the only PC they hacked. Here. Yes. Okay. Where should I cap? I want to capture close. I want to capture far. It's like maybe over there. Because that's close. That's far. Actually, we'll capture here. but I gotta be quick in case she rages. W game. GG. GG. I didn't get much. I'm gonna change my hammer. Change it to this. BR. What is that meant to mean? We didn't question why I still have a boy avatar, even though I don't even need it. Should probably turn this down. Yeah, there. Homestead, so I can do better. I love it. It's best. Best map. The amount of times I've almost mentioned one person in this video. This is going to be the last round I'm probably going to do, and then I'm just going to be like, yep, that's not. None, no doubles. No, I got left to hack alone. I'm gonna find doubles. Like, extra PCs. Hack. Oh my god, I thought that was a beast then. I would have cried. Oh my god, I thought that was Andy. I would have said. Okay, yeah, I want to try some. For some reason I can wall hop this side, but I can't do that side. Oh, that was terrible. I'm gonna try that again. I've been watching my friend, do wall hop, and now it's just encouraging me to do it. Yeah, I'm gonna show the, that is right side, this side, for me, if I was. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do two more on the left side, and then I'll do, a couple on the right side. Yeah, Yep, no, that's my last try, and I'm gonna do the... Bro, Beast be confused right now if they're not AFK. Yep, no. I don't like this. I don't like this. I would cry if my recording cut at one random point in the video. I would cry. Okay, I'm gonna do this one more time because I hate this side. No. Okay, that's it. Nothing. I forgot I had Mad Guy's avatar on for a second there. No. I think my ping has gone bad. My ping is... oh, that's not so bad. It's not so bad, okay. I wonder what type of server this is. Beast is level 1, so they obviously are bad, I guess. Unless they're an alt, which I think they might be. I just hope they're not a tryhard. Yo, what? My hacking glitched. Me or them saying hi? Yeah, I'm not gonna reply just in case it's not for me. Oh yeah, if you wanna add me and be friends so then we can make a video together, just comment down your usernames below and I'll try to add you guys. Because I wanna be nice and add people. Well, extra PC time. I forgot my way around in maze. Because I hardly go in here. Wait. I know it from here. I mean, no, this is where the PC is. Okay, no PC. But I'm going to open exit. Probably last round with... Oh, shoot. No, I ain't going to escape. Yo, what is happening right now? Oh. Bro, I got too scared. I really wanted to hack extra, but I can't. You know what? I want to do another round, so yeah, we'll do another round. That was good, though. GG's. GG's. Let's invite someone. Hazen. David. Red. Dylan. Why do I still have his name like that? It's been like that for so long, I still need to change it. Yeah, I'll invite them. Yeah, no one vote. No vote. No vote. No vote. Yo, what is this set? Oh. I really want that. I really want that set. It looks epic. Yo. Is it my ping or their ping? I can't tell. Yo, what am I doing? Yeah, I know I can do that, but I just decided not to. I'm not gonna be beast. I really want to be beast right now because then it means I can practice. Yeah, and they stayed loyal with no votes, so we good. On highest level in game. Nice. Bro, that lag. Oh my god. From here. Around here. Oh. There's still no PCs. That's not good. In 0... No, in 20... No, I can't work out time. I am stupid. Oh shoot, this is right up there. I am not gonna go hack that. Is PC up here? Oh, there's no PC. Okay, Beast is gone, so I'm gonna hack back down here. Yeah, I don't hear them. Wait, I'm gonna hack here. We'll be more discreet. Wait, I'll hide. Need to hide. Oh, my hammer's glowy. Yeah, I don't think glowy hammer is very good. Because Beast can randomly see it. So... No, someone hacked the PC. Okay, beast. Oh shoot, they're right there. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shit. Oh, that's the PC they hacked. Okay. Let's go to barn. Why is there none in barn? Oh, it might be in shed. I think this is shed. Yes. I wonder where. Oh, I have to go save. Okay. Oh, cool. I love those. Wait. Yeah, I think they're camping. Run, run, run. Run. Don't get caught. Oh, no, I should be saying that to myself. Yeah, I gotta run. Or your extra PC. You're Hazen. But don't move. Oh no, Beast is right there. What? Bro. Yeah, that was not very good. I was typing. I feel like I should get spared for that. Come on, spare me. Bro, I don't even have voice chat on right now. Yeah, I messed that up. I don't even have voice chat on right now. Oh, my level is so bad. I want to get high. Bro, I really want to get another... I want to get another 50 levels. I'll be 104. Okay, well, GG's. 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 Well, that's the end. I'm gonna end it here. Well, that's it. Bye, guys.